It's way too easy to think of the world as a set of rich countries and poor countries, rather than what it really is, a spectrum with a whole bunch of countries in the middle. Take a look at this graph. It's by Hans Rosling, and it measures life expectancy and income over time. Okay, start this in 1900 and watch what happens. We get to see a lot of Europe head right for that top right corner, joined by a few exceptions like Argentina, Australia, Canada, and the US. Everyone's moving vertically, everyone's living longer. Pause when I was born. Now take a look at the movement to the right over the course of my lifetime. Those two big red circles, you might have guessed, China and India. So Hans Rosling didn't just make these graphs, he wrote this book called Factfulness, which I am a huge fan of, and he argues that looking at the world as rich countries and poor countries from a place like the US is kind of like looking over a city from a skyscraper. If you're in one of the tallest buildings in the world, every building is going to look short in comparison. You're not noticing the differences between a 30-story and a 60-story if you're standing on a 100-story building.